The pre-foreclosure list. I remember when I first got started in real estate, in order to get this information, you had to pay the local private newspaper because they will post these listings. And that's how you would get the information daily. So fast forward to today, this information is now available instantly, and like less than 6 minutes, you can get all of the pre-foreclosures in your city. And you talk about why do we go after pre-foreclosures, right? It's because these people are highly motivated. So imagine under 6 minutes, you can get a list of people laying down to give you their house because they have a big problem. And as long as you have Advil, you can solve their headache. Let's go. With the pre-foreclosure list, due to the high probability of motivated sellers, this is a good list to pick up rental properties to keep for yourself. It's a great list to wholesale, and also a good list to flip. It's like you can do multiple strategies with this list and get into these strategies with little to no money. But let's get into pulling the list. So let's say you live in St. Louis, Missouri. Boom, pops up right there. Okay, now I'm in St. Louis, Missouri. Now, with the pre-foreclosures, they have 358. So, what you will notice with your pre-foreclosure list is that you will not get a lot of leads, right? You will not get a lot of leads, okay? Totally normal, so don't panic on that, but you will hit that. Boom. Now, what you're gonna do is download this list. But let me show you something, right? Boom. You can hit that, right? You can hit this right here. And what I want to do, I want you to hit zip code, right? So now all this information is in numerical order, right? So being that all this information is numerical order, I can like look at my data and I can see that, hold on. 63101 only has one foreclosure. They don't have a lot in that area, but 104 has a few. Wow. Maybe I need to focus on this 104 area. 105 has less than 104, 107, 108, but let's look at this 63104. So what I can do now, right? I want to see something, right? So now I'm going to show you how to do this. 63104. In this area, right? Now I broke it down to make it granular. They got 10 pre-foreclosures, but they got 1,200 cash buyers. 1,200. So you know these guys are hungry for any deal you get. And did you see how I just looked at the data to see like, wait, 63104 got more foreclosures than the rest of them. Okay, well, since they got more foreclosures than the rest of them, let me look deeper. They also got 1,200 cash buyers. So that's an indication that that is a hot zip and that you can go after that. And there's a lot of activity there, right? But it's literally that easy to pull a pre-foreclosure list, guys. It's not difficult, right? Now I'm gonna go back to the pre-foreclosures. Now what I can do is boom, I can add to list, and I will add this to list, and then I can create new for this video, and then I can download, skip trace, start calling people, door knock, etc. So a few years ago, right, when I discovered the pre-foreclosure list from a mentor, right, and he showed me how to get it. This is before we all had access to this. This would have been a lot easier, but he showed me how to get it. He showed me how to read it, and then once he showed me how to read it, I started to go door knocking, right? And I went door knocking, and for me going door knocking, let's say I knocked on about 25 doors. I had 2 interested people. I closed one. I made $52,000 on one deal. That's correct, $52,000 on one deal. And that person was waiting for somebody to do something because everybody else let them down in their family. So therefore, they was like, listen, if I can get some money, that's better than no money. And that's exactly what we did. All right. So with that being said, this is a good list to go after. And with the pre-foreclosure stuff, man, you can't lose with it, but you do have to work it. So be ready and willing to work. If you want this software, right, I can get you a 7-day free trial. DuruData.com. DuruData.com. You get a 7-day free trial. Hey, click on this video next to me, right? Because I'm going to show you exactly how this Propstream software has made me 7 figures in real estate and can do the same for you. And y'all already know I'm Nasa, aka the real estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business.